Hey, Perry, I'll trade you this squishy thing for one of your fancy fidget spinners.
Let me see that squishy thing. I think this is a fair trade. Seems high quality to me. Let me just get them for you. My fidget spinners! They're all gone!
Well, you better have it by the end of the day, or the deal is off.
Somebody stole my fidgets and I'm gonna figure out who. Whoa, who are you?
I'm Tommy Tomatoes, a world-class fidget detective.
Who?
We were literally partners in history class last period.
Doesn't ring a bell. I'm here to find my fidgets. Do you know who might have them?
I have my suspicions. I've been on this case a whole 20 minutes.
Wait, you have?
No, I was trying to be dramatic. But I do know that everyone else's fidgets have been going missing. It all started after the first period.
I don't have time for a flashback right now. I'm in a hurry.
Oh well, I don't have to help you, you know.
Help me, Tommy Tomatoes. You're my last and only hope. I wish I had somebody else, but I don't.
It'll cost you one comic book. All right, I'll help you. There she is.
She's the number one suspect right now. She scammed me in 3rd grade. I'll never forget that.
We know what you did. What? I'm just standing here.
Standing's important, but not as important as my fidgets.
What are you talking about? My fidgets also went missing after first period. That can't be. Well, it can be, because I don't have my fidgets. Did either of you two take my fidgets?
No, it's not us. Then who stole my fidgets?
I guess we're back at square one. Weasel, do you have any ideas who it may be?
Well, I did hear a lot of noise coming from Miss Avocado. Maybe we should go check her room out.
Look, there's Miss Avocado.
What is she doing?
It looks like she's putting something away on a shelf. What could it be? Something seems fishy. Or more like fidgety. Wait, is that what I think it is? What?
It looks like our fidgets.
I knew it! You can never trust someone who's named after a fruit. Hey, Miss Avocado! Actually, it's pronounced avocado, and at least get my name right before you're trying to interrogate me and barge in here.
Anyway, what's in the box?
Yeah, what are you trying to hide?
Oh, just, maintenance stuff. I had a few things to collect from the, students.
Why are you being so sus about it? I have to go to the bathroom, guys. I'll be right back. Excuse me.
It's none of your concern. What's mine is mine, and what's yours is also mine.
Did you hear that slip, Weasel?
We know it's you who stole everyone's fidgets, and who says I'm going to give them back?
Get her!
So what did I miss? Guys? Well, if it isn't all the fidgets, I guess it was Miss Avocado all along. That's why people with fruit names should never be trusted. Ever.
You're under arrest, Miss Avocado.
Under arrest by who?
Tommy Tomatoes. He's gonna be here in a minute.
The next day.
I got the fidget if you got the squishy.
I got the squishy. Pleasure doing business with you, Perry.
Anytime, Larry. I'm bored.